Hi, I'm Nigel from Ernest Workwear, and today I'll be taking you through our Smiths jacket. Both spark resistant and CE rated for motorcycle use, whether you're busy grinding in the workshop or out on the bike, the Smiths jacket will provide you with the protection you need. Constructed from Ernest's unique Kevlar infused canvas material, K-Canvas, the Smiths jacket has 20 times the tensile strength of regular denim or canvas, meaning it's built to last. Best of all, as the canvas is only a single layer 13-ounce fabric, unlike other workshop and motorbike clothing, it's lightweight enough and comfortable for all-day wear. To ensure your jacket lasts the test of time, we've included double reinforced panels in the elbows, and all structural seams have triple stitching for added reinforcement. The triple section pocket keeps your hands free and your essential tools always in arm's reach. A purpose-built padded phone pocket is located at chest height to keep your phone away from the day-to-day impacts when working and riding, while the lower button covering ensures all pressure surfaces will remain safe as you lean on them. A duck canvas packing bag is also provided for storage and protection. Finally, as already mentioned, the Smiths jacket is CE rated for motorcycle use, so once you're done in the garage, you can hop straight onto your bike. Pair your jacket with our CE rated Tasker pants for full riding protection. We ship worldwide and the jacket ranges from a small up to a XXL. We would recommend going one size up as the jacket runs slightly smaller. For reference, I'm 6 foot tall, 183 centimeters and normally wearing a medium, but today I'm wearing a large. If you have any questions about our Smiths jacket or any of our other Ernest products, just get in touch. Thanks and see you next time.